Pitbull, Mr. 305, better said Mr. Worldwide, and it's official. HBL Pakistan Super League is coming back, and guess who will be performing? Yours truly, live in Dubai, February 14th at the grand opening ceremony. I want to see you there, having fun, getting loose, dancing, enjoying, celebrating, all of us together. So get your ticket, not now, but right now. See you soon in Dubai. Darling. Still Chico Pitbull, Mr. 305, but it said Mr. Worldwide, and I want to start off by saying I was very, very excited to be able to go to Dubai and perform for the HBL Pakistan Super League cricket tournament. But unfortunately, what has happened was, since it was such a long flight, the pilots took the plane for a test flight, and when they landed, pieces of the engine had come apart. Between the Pakistan Cricket Board, we tried our hardest to get over to Dubai, so I want to say I'm sorry. I apologize, deeply apologize for that. Look forward to seeing you guys, and thank you always for the love and the support. I appreciate it. With that said, enjoy, have fun. Thank you to HBL and the Super League for even thinking of me to be able to come to the cricket tournament. Really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys next year or anytime soon. Ya tu sabes. Dale.